Gold and silver both have stayed bearish throughout the day. Yesterday, we have seen gold moving towards 23, 14, 15 levels, the first support levels as we discussed yesterday, and silver at 23.20. Now, can 22.20 rather. Now, can we expect gold and silver to bounce back from the current levels, or there is a further possibility of bearishness? What is going to be our strategy trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day releases on gold and silver. Next update will be released before the US session. And if you have not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. And yes, before leaving the video, press the like button, do share and comment as well. Your every action matters to me a lot. Look at the hourly charts, drop there, retracement, lower lows, retracement, and it is again looking downwards, trying to create a bearish channel. Where are the lows for this? It is below 2010 levels. But then there are greater supports available here at 2014, 2015, and then 2008. Below that, we are looking forward to 1997, 2000 levels. But let's have a look whether it can drop or not. See, on the upside, it is getting very strong resistance at 28.30 zone. Remember, these were the support levels when gold prices were above 28.30 zone. Now, these are going to be the resistance levels. Prices are divergent from the 20 period. It has converged here. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to retrace. RSI staying flat. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation. Moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. 36 levels, 35 levels should be greater resistance if it tries to move on the upside. And if you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. See, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross after a sharp fall. Thus, this candle is going to decide the future of gold, because see, if it continues to diverge, there is a possibility that further retracement on the upside can be expected in the gold prices. RSI flat on the 3. Now, on the 3-hour charts, there is very interesting observation. See, first of all, 4 to 5 candles here. And you can observe none of the candles closed below 2022, 2020 levels. This is very, very important, as it has achieved lows here but failed to close below 2022. 24 zone. Thus, these levels are going to play an important role, and a closure of candle below 2022 is what you should look at. A stochastic retracing, MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buying entry. RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover, 20, 34, 35 levels. If you look at the preceding 2 candles, see one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, prices failed to stay above 28 levels. Thus, we have to wait for it to break beyond 28.32, and then you can expect it to move towards 35.36 as the next. Any point of time, staying above 20.40, 42 zone is the reversal confirmation, and beyond that, prices might try to stay bullish. See, it is trying to trade in this zone. Thus, 34, 35 is the level you should watch out for. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit. RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your queries related to mentorship batch or Signals channel. And do join the free Telegram channel to get live updates of the markets. Also, visit the platform forexona.com to get the economic calendar, the live data releases, the live charts, and the community. And also, you can schedule a call with me. Now, look at the daily. See, first of all, gold was respecting this channel. It has breached this channel yesterday, but however, failing to close below the support levels at 2020. 2018, we have seen it retracing. Also, now one must note, see, this was the consolidation. This was the breakout. Gold has erased all the gains. Now, it is trying to retrace a bit. Only possibility of a complete reversal confirmation is if gold stays beyond 20, 40, 42 zone. That is a confirmation of a reversal. As long as gold prices stays below 20, 40, 42 levels, we should not be treating this for a reversal. However, there is a possibility of a retracement towards 34, 35 zone. Thus, you can buy here at 2028, expect it to move towards 2032 and then 2035 levels. The first and second resistance, and beyond that, we can look forward to 20, 40 and 42, and after that, the complete reversal. Chances for which, though are there, however, appears to be less. On the downside, though I am expecting it to trade bullish, but right now if you look at gold, it is trading in the box here. See this? And now it is trying to reverse. At the same time, on the downside, in fact, you can take a sell entry at 22 levels, but we have to be watchful at 2018 and then 2014 levels. After that, I will be looking forward to 2018 zone and then 1997 2000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts has been consolidating its position between 2020, 2220 and 2240 levels. And thus a buying entry above 2240 can be taken, but we have to be watchful of 2260 and then 2280 zone. This is going to be the strongest resistance for silver. Any rise above 2280 is a confirmation of reversal, else it is still trying to trade bearish. A stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over here at bottom, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour charts here. See, none of the candles close below 2230, and then 2220 is a definitely greater support. Also on the upside, you will find 2240 is going to be a resistance. The stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. So this crossover may bring bullishness here. RSI flat and at bottom. Coming to 3 hour. Look at 3 hour charts here. See, we're getting very strong support from 2230 levels. Prices are just consolidating. We have to wait for a breakout either on the upside or downside. Moving average is crossing over here, certainly sign of bearishness. A stochastic at bottom and at flat. MACD is trading bearish. A crossover here can bring slight bullishness. RSI is at bottom. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour chart, the candle has just started, and yes, the preceding candles you have seen silver consolidating its position. The similar observation, it has to stay above 2240. And also if you look at, see, the lows are now beautifully aligned. And if you draw a parallel to this, you will find that the prices of silver might try to move towards 2260-80 zone once. But right now it is not showing any signs. The stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to daily charts. If you observe the daily charts, see, first of all, the resistance here in this zone is very strong. We have seen silver failing to stay above these levels. Price has retraced towards the moving average, consolidated here, and since then a reversal. Now one must note that if it is in the consolidation zone, it can try to stay within these levels, consolidating its position further, which means from today onwards it could try to retrace towards 2320 levels. But it has to break first the very stronger resistance zone at 2260, 2280, only above which we can consider this for a reversal. What is happening here is rise, retracement, higher lows, and this time the second wave can lead towards the higher highs. Be watchful of this. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here for a sell. After staying in green for a while, it has crossed over. We have to be watchful of today's candle. RSI is flattened at bottom. Considering this, a buying entry at 2240 and a selling entry at 2220 can be taken. Below 2220 is where we can look forward to 22 and then 2180 levels as the next targets. On the upside, be careful of 2260 levels. If it breaks past 2260 and then 2280, rather this complete zone of 20 cents between 2260 and 80 is going to be a greater resistance for silver on the upside. The trade with caution around those levels and buy at 2240 when the lower prices excluding spreads are above 2240 levels. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of my services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel or visit the platform forexfunda.com. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.